Welcome back to Hobi IT. In this video, I will show you a few ways to fix preparing Windows automatic repair. Please follow step on this video. There are lots of ways on Google and on YouTube channels. But sometimes this method doesn't work. Here I have tried for the third time. And the results are very good. I can fix Windows problems without having to reinstall. This method is very simple. You only need Hiren's boot CD and boot via USB drive. To know how to make Hiren's boot CD, you can see it in the following link. And I have also included it in the content description. Yeah, success, 100% solved. We have successfully fixed the Windows problem. See you in the next video. Grading, Hobi IT.